Mike Huckabee is dropping out of the race. He has tweeted out, "I am officially suspending my campaign. Thank you for all your loyal support." Not a huge surprise there, given his numbers. But the man who won Iowa not too long ago does not come close tonight and officially suspends his campaign. Also, this from the Clinton camp, attributable to a Clinton aide, saying turnout is high, which the Sanders campaign has always said would benefit them. But we believe, this is from the Clinton camp, we believe we have won tonight. Fox News is not yet ready to project that on the Democratic side. Getting back to the GOP race, first of all, Steve, what do you think? Does the Huckabee, does he have anything to offer either one of these candidates? Because Donald Trump has scheduled a trip through Arkansas next week, and many suggested perhaps that's, after Huckabee showed up at his event, Trump's event last week in Iowa, perhaps there's an endorsement in the waiting there.
Right, and Huckabee's team has denied this. They've said that he was going to be in South Carolina, or he planned to be in South Carolina, that he had no plans to even be in Little Rock when Trump was in Little Rock. So I think that's, that's not going to have an effect one way or the other. And when you're talking about somebody with 2%, who was a previous winner of the Iowa caucuses here in 2008, it seems like he doesn't have much real pull.